On the morning of June 30, 1908, the people of Siberia, Russia, witnessed something terrifying. A huge fireball appeared in the sky near the Tunguska River. Moments later, there was a massive explosion. The shockwave knocked people off their feet and broke windows hundreds of kilometers away. When the dust settled, the scale of destruction was unbelievable. 80 million trees had been flattened, animals were killed, huts destroyed, and the ground shook as if it were an earthquake. Yet, strangely, no one could find an impact crater. At first, people thought it must have been a meteorite. But when scientists finally reached the site, almost 20 years later, they found no pieces of rock, no crater, nothing. What happened? The leading theory is that a large space rock, a meteor or a comet, entered the Earth's atmosphere and exploded in the air before reaching the ground. The blast is believed to have been 1,000 times stronger than the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima. But not everyone agrees. Some believe it was caused by underground gas eruption. Others say it might have been a comet, made mostly of ice, which completely vaporized. And of course, there are wilder theories, UFOs, or secret experiments. More than 100 years later, scientists still debate what really happened. But one thing is certain, the Tunguska event remains the largest unexplained explosion in modern day history. A mystery written across the Siberian forest and still unanswered to this day.